Okay everyone, welcome to Beyond Walls One Letter Graffiti Battle, One Letter Infinite Style. Before we begin, we would like to thank our main sponsors, Gnarly, DBTV, Montana Colors, and Quicks. Thank you for the love and support. Special shout out to RPG and Mindshift for making this event possible. Here are the rules. First, we will have a coin toss. The winner gets to decide who will draw the letter and the challenge that each artist will battle on. Both artists will have 15 minutes to finish their work. So this battle is not only about skills. We are here to see their strategy, control, creativity, and how well they perform under pressure. Here is the judging system. Letter structure, 30%. Style and originality, 30%. Colors and composition, 20%. Execution and cleanliness, 20%. That gives us a total of 100 points or 100%. The winners of each game will be decided by our legendary judges. They may not be here, but they will be with us digitally. We have Quicks of PSP, TFK from the Philippines, Sync1, CBS, PSI, ZNC, Meow, CBS, NASA, SDFK, Hex, CBS, NASA from California, USA, and Restock, RPG, Philippines. Now, let's meet the artist on my left.
RPG, DKS,
Yon. And on my right,
TDK yung
audience, ready na ba? Beyond the Walls, are we ready? First, let's do the coin toss. Tails. Tails. Deep will choose who will be drawing from our letter. Inside this jar, we have all the alphabet from A to Z. 10 of these tiles has a dot on its back, meaning if it has a dot, then that means the round has a challenge. Now, the winner of the coin toss will also be the one to press the randomizer, and the randomizer will decide which kind of challenge they will be having. Okay, we have different challenges. You won the coin toss, who will draw? Ikaw na? Okay. No look. Bigay mo agad sa akin. Okay, and we'll be battling on the letter L. And the first letter has a mark. So that means we'll be having a challenge. So Deep, you go ahead and press 3 colors. So they will be doing a 3 colors challenge. So meaning you will be using 3 colors for this round to make the letter L. Kauna-una ang battle ng one letter battle natin, na graffiti battle. So timer starts now. Last 4 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Ang bilis lang ah. Tapos ka na? Tapos na raw. Okay, tapos na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. And that was our first battle. Palakpakan natin yung dalawang artists natin. Napakahusay. Judging will be given after the 7th round or the 7th battle. So we will proceed to our next battle after the wall dries in about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Tayo si MC Ni and si Deep. Dito kayo sa tabi ko. Diyan lang kayo. Kamusta naman experience sa Beyond Walls?
Nervyos, sobra.
Nervyos?
Ayos, masaya.
Nervyos, masaya. Ayos, masaya. O, pareho silang masaya, di ba? Sa match-up, first battle, MC Ni tsaka si Deep. Pareho silang masaya sa battle. Ang score natin, 89% and 82%. And the winner for our first round is... Sino? MC Ni! Yeah! Si siya yung nanalo. Gusto ko isulat mo yung pangalan mo dito.
Walang delay sound.
Di pa ka muna aalis kasi mag-handstyle battle ka pa.
Magkakaba. Mabakit sa langit. Kasa pa sa kabilis yun.
Yun! Di ba? Congrats for moving on to the next round. Okay.